Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cook the Mellow Black Tea in Heartopia. So there will be two secret recipes. One I cannot unlock because I don't have cocoa yet, but I can unlock the other one. But this is just for the Mellow Black Tea. You'll need to be cooking level 11 to unlock this, and you'll need to purchase the ingredients and the recipe from Massimo. So as you can see, I have the recipe here, and you will need four of the tea leaves to create the mellow black tea, and you're just going to start cooking. It does take a while, so please be patient. And as you can see, I have the mellow black tea, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!